right, good morning, everyone. I hope everybody is excited about today's lesson. We are going to integrate technology today in our basically research we've been doing. So somebody raise their hand and tell me what you've been researching. What have you been researching, Clay?
The French Revolution and the Berlin Wall.
Okay, so more general would be?
Like how the revolution is different from other revolutions.
Okay, so revolutions. We've been studying revolutions. You've been doing research online for the last couple of days. Today what we're going to do is we're going to take our research and we're going to put it into presentations. Now we're not going to do regular PowerPoints. Y'all done PowerPoints. I think y'all are masters at PowerPoints, right? Yeah? Maybe not masters, but you're familiar with PowerPoint. You've been doing them. Raise your hand if you've ever used Sway before. Okay, so more has used Sway. That's great. No worries for everybody else. That's what today's lesson is for, is to teach you how to use Sway. Sway is a product that we have in Office 365 that basically is an enhanced version of PowerPoint. So let's go ahead and start off by going into our Office 365, okay? And first of all, you can get the Office 365 login on the Waccamaw Middle School website. So you might want to start by going into the Waccamaw Middle School website. And then from there, you're going to log into Office 365. And mine's already logged in because I just did this last block as well. So type in your username and password. Remember, your username is going to be your first name, last name, first name, middle initial, @live.gcsd.k12.sc.us. And then your password is the same password you use to log into the computer. So once you have this screen that'll say good morning with your name, not my name, you'll see all of the options of what you can use on Office 365 online. Today, we're going to be using Sway. So it's a little green box that says Sway. So once you log in, I want you to click on the box that says Sway. Okay, now when you log into Sway, you're probably not going to see this same screen because you probably never logged into Sway before. So you're going to hit the Get Started button once you're in Sway. Does anybody need help getting there? Raise your hand. I'll be happy to come help you. Need help? Yes, ma'am?
I think I've already gotten on.
You've been on it before, we know, with your media center stuff. Okay, and then you'll probably see a pop-up screen that's going to give you kind of like a tutorial of what Sway can do. You can just X out of that because I'm about to show you how to use it. So then your screen will look like mine that says Welcome to Sway. Now I think you all are going to love Sway because it's kind of done the work for you. I'll show you in a minute. You can research something and pictures will pop up, videos will pop up, the Wikipedia article will pop up. So it kind of does some of this research for you. So you might find stuff that you didn't find in your original research just by using Sway, which I think is really cool. And it kind of does the work for you. You can put together a Sway very easily. So Sway actually has some presentations already made up so you can see how Sway works. I'm going to show you one. You can follow along with me on your Sway as well, or you can just watch my screen. Okay, this has been done by a 7th grade student. I don't know who she is or where she's from, but when you scroll down, it says get inspired by a featured Sway. All right, we're going to do the red panda one. First of all, anybody know what a red panda is? Yeah, I'd never heard of a red panda until I saw this Sway. So try not to be distracted by its cute cuddliness and look at the features of the presentation. I want you to point out to me some of the things that are different about Sway than PowerPoint. So Cooper, you already see something. What do you see?
The words are kind of like faded in and out. Like
Okay.
they have like different spots.
Wait till I do one thing and then you might want to add something. when I go to the next, okay, this is who it's by. Now, what do you notice? What do you notice is different? Maddie?
Like the animations are different. It could do different things.
Okay, animations, Rhiannon.
You're using arrows instead of tapping like the screen.
Okay, so you're not just clicking the slide like you do on PowerPoint. You have arrows that'll guide you. Good. John?
There you don't see just a slide coming. It's just like coming into like the same slide, but stuff coming in out of the kind of nowhere.
Okay, so it's kind of zooming in. It's already got that transition feature built into it. You don't have to do that. It does it for you. It moves the pictures for you. Yes, Harrington?
If you click on the picture, it will like zoom in.
Okay, good. Now, if you keep going, you'll notice that if the words take up more than what's on the screen, see how the words are dragging here, but I can't read the rest of it. When you hit the arrow again, watch. See how it slides up so that you can read the rest of it? Pretty cool, huh? So you get the idea of what Sway does, right? It's a PowerPoint. It does all the motion and stuff for you. You can embed videos in here too. You'll notice at the end of this presentation there's a video that's already embedded. All you have to do is click play. Now, I'm going to give you a rubric as well because I want you to know obviously what I expect from you. So let's get started with Sway. So now you all, if you followed along with me, you can hit get started. Now, the beautiful thing about Sway, if I start typing in a title for my Sway, say follow the Berlin Wall. When I hit insert, notice on the side, all of this stuff came in just for me typing in follow the Berlin Wall. If I put Berlin Wall, this is just what's suggested. This isn't even, you don't even have to use this. You can, look, it has videos already made. There's the Wikipedia article right there. Here's videos of when the Berlin Wall fell. And here's images of the Berlin Wall. So I can basically take this video here and drag and drop it, and boom, it's on my slide. Okay? I can take an image. You can get that door, it's fine. Alright. And then I hit play if you want to preview it. So look, did you see how easy that was for me to do? Okay, so look, follow Berlin Wall. All I did was slide an image in, the text appeared, and then I can scroll down, boom, there's my video. I already have a huge chunk of my presentation done. Do you see how much work that was? Not much, right? So it already has the Wikipedia articles. If it's something current, like say you're doing Arab Spring, you will have tweets that people have made pop up too. So you can add tweets about that event if there's tweets that are out there. You can add songs, videos, and it puts it together for you. It'll do the motion by itself. So you don't have to add the transitions or the animations like you would in a PowerPoint. John, what's your question?
Does it add the link?
So yeah, this is embedded, so you don't need the link. But say you have a video with a link, there is under the Insert tab, you can add the link. Anybody have any questions about Sway? Yes, Maggie.
I typed in the title for mine, and at the top I don't see insert. Like the insert.
Go to cards. Now, if you go to cards, you can just drag and drop. Say if you want a video, you drag and drop video onto your page, and then you'll be able to search from there. Okay? You will be doing two different sways in your group. Okay, so you're not doing one big sway, you're doing two. You're going to do one on your historical revolution and one on the modern revolution you've been researching. You're going to have today and a few other days to get these assignments done. I will be around to go around and help you as you need help with sleigh.